Applying for a PhD is challenging and time-consuming. It's not just about having a passion for research, it also requires a well-written proposal and finding a university academic who is willing to supervise you through your research program. The research proposal is the centerpiece of your application. It needs to align with the interests and expectations of your supervisor. Crafting such a proposal requires effort and attention to detail. While there are common guidelines for writing research proposals, the amount of detail required may vary from one university to another. So, what is a research proposal? It is a document that outlines your proposed study and should include key components. Title: a concise and descriptive title that reflects your research topic. Introduction: clearly state your research problem, objectives, and why it's important. Literature review: summarize key studies in your field to highlight the gap that your research will address. Methodology: explain how you plan to conduct your research methods, tools, and data or information sources. Timeline: provide a rough timeline for completing each stage of your research. Conclusion: emphasize the significance of your research and its potential contribution. References: list all sources of information cited in your proposal. A well-structured and detailed research proposal is your chance to showcase your understanding of the subject and convince supervisors of the potential impact of your research. The next step is finding a suitable supervisor. This means identifying someone whose expertise aligns with your research area and who sees potential in your work. This process may take time, but it is the critical stage of your application. The process involves searching for potential supervisors, contacting them, and sharing your research proposal. You should try and find as many supervisors as possible, as in many cases, they may not be available and decline your request. The search must continue until one or more supervisors express interest. Some supervisors who show interest in your topic and have time may request changes to your proposal and will often ask for one or more meetings before giving their final approval. The meetings are an opportunity to showcase yourself and demonstrate your skills. Please note that in some cases, there may be a need to bring in co-supervisors to share the workload. Securing a supervisor is the most important part of your PhD application, but it does not stop there. You still need to meet the university entry requirements, academic qualifications, and English proficiency. You also need to demonstrate evidence of research skills you have gained in your previous studies. Remember that some universities may accept you for PhD program without doing a master if you have good research experience. What if you do not have a research proposal ready? In this case, you might explore opportunities within research groups that are looking to grow their research teams. You should adapt your research interest to fit within the research group projects. Another option is an integrated PhD program. These programs allow students to earn both a Master's in Research (MRes) degree in addition to their PhD. Typically, 1 year longer than traditional PhD, the integrated option may still require a draft or watered-down research proposal, which you will develop further during your MRE stage of your study. If you are considering applying for PhD, you will our help through the process extremely valuable. Our expert team has helped many through their research journeys. We are happy to help you every step of the way.